Yo, what's up YouTube? It's SH Garrison here and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be finally catching up on the K-pop releases that have been missing. I'll be checking out VICTON first with their MV Howling. Pretty hyped for this because I remember checking them out on my own time. I'm pretty sure the previous release was Nostalgic Night. It was when I was listening to them. It was like 4 or 5 months ago. That's crazy to me. It's good to see them back, and yeah, if you guys are wondering why I am currently holding my mic, it's because my mic arm broke down, so don't mind me just switching hand-to-hand position when I'm checking out the MV. Other than that, let's just get into this. Alright, Howling. Interesting. Ooh. The clock ticking, and such a sharp start to the song. Ooh. Man, all these boys good looking and everything. Right away. Oh my goodness. He's like one with the beat, even with these piano chords. Like his cadences are so good right there, and his rap lines. You guys better let me know who he is. Like, ooh. Wow. And like I like how it comes into the scene. The choreo is so powerful in a striking like manner with the beat. Okay. You're not done. Just the delivery of his rap lines. Alright guys, straight up, who is this to? Mr. Handsome in the center? Pomegranate. At first I was like, is he holding a pomegranate? But hey, it's just been confirmed. And the airy vocals just add so much to the song. Overall, it really does. Oh my goodness. Wow, this choreo? Alright, here we go. Woo! What? Get those vocals, boy. Oh my goodness. I love the accessories that they have on too, with their styling, just the earrings and their outfits. Like, I love the overall direction of this MV too. Very smooth, but like striking in a different way. Like, this hits differently in a good way. It really does. Howling. What did I just witness, guys? I think I just witnessed greatness, to be honest. VICTON, I mean, they've been under the radar for me. I just don't know why. Maybe it goes alongside in terms of promotion, or, you know, just like getting slept on in general. But VICTON, I already know that they're under the same label as A-Pink. But with their last couple of releases, I've been digging their music, like hella digging their music, especially Nostalgic Night, right? But Howling here, what I'm trying to say with this release and how it hits differently it's not just how smooth it just strikes, the beat, the vocals, and everything. It's just the delivery of the vocals in this song with, you know, the piano chords, the striking beat. It hits hard in like in a different way, not like go crazy hard, but it's good. It's really good. And the transitions were so smooth, not only in the MV but the song itself. You know, I remember there was a certain time and age where, oh yeah, this is gonna be the rap part, this is so obvious, this is gonna be, you know, but like starting off with the rap and then moving into the pre-chorus, chorus, and like I also love the bridge to this song. I'm definitely gonna have to check out this boy group on my own time, go dive down in the B-sides. Be sure to recommend me some B-sides or early day title tracks from VICTON. I really want to get into VICTON. I say this for like a lot of other groups too, but I really do mean it, you know. When I get the free time, I'm just gonna like grind it out, you know what I'm saying? But the rapper, the center guy with the red hair, I believe, I can't remember, but what a release. Howling, definitely gonna go into my Spotify playlist. I'm not sure about you guys, but for me, for sure. Anyways, guys, let me know how you feel about this latest release by VICTON. Did they meet your expectations, or did they certainly exceed them? They certainly exceeded mine. Of course, I'm not knowing too much about this boy group. But yeah, have a great day. Have a good night. Have a good afternoon wherever you are. Take care and peace.